Hello everyone, you are back watching Dee's page right now. I don't know why I always stutter when it gets to that part. It's so weird. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. If you are a subscriber already, you already know the love is deep. I'm not gonna keep talking. We're just gonna get straight into it. Straight into it. Yeah. So guys, I ordered some new hair. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. First of all, I want to say I love the packaging, but I want to complain today. This is absolutely terrible. Yodel, I blame Yodel. But anyway, so yeah, I bought some hair from Luvmehair, so I'm just gonna unbox this right now. It's got cute little ribbon, love the gold writing. I just really like the packaging. Yeah, so we're gonna unbox it now. This is not my first time unboxing it. I said I wasn't gonna take it out, and then I ended up taking it out, and then it was just, you know. But yeah, so I've opened it now, and this is how it looks inside the box. I've received a message from Helen, and she is saying to me I should enjoy my hair journey from now on. Helena, founder of Luvmehair. Okay, cool. So when you open it, in the box you get your hair, which is in this lovely cute purple bag with gold writing on it as well. Guys, I'm going to show you everything in detail so that this is a good review. And then you got this little red bag, and inside the red bag we have got a comb. I actually needed this, so thank you so much, Luvmehair. We've got a comb. We have got some hair clips for if you need to pin your hair back, I guess. I think I've got some black ones though, so I probably won't be using these, but maybe I'll still keep them anyway. We've got some hair clips as well inside this red bag. We've got a band, so if I want to maybe change the band in the wig, I can do that with this. And last in the bag is some tweezers. I'm guessing this is to pluck your frontal. I don't really know how to do that, so yeah, I'm probably not going to. And also in the box we've got a wig cap. This is definitely not my color, as you can see, so I'm either not going to use it, or if I do use it, I'll put foundation on it. And last but not least, oh yeah, you can't see, lol, I've got a little, okay, it just fell out, little leaflet. I'm guessing it tells you what you should do to look after your hair. Okay, so how to use your hair, how to use your wig, and how to care for your wig. And then also it's got a Q&A as well. Why the unit I received looks not very same like your posts. Why the unit I received looks not very okay. Why my unit gets shedding, or I don't know who wrote this, but yeah. Anywho, yeah, so as I said, probably won't use this. We've got this as well, which is cool. This is all gonna go back in the box, and now we're gonna for the exciting part. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull it open like this, get my hair out. Oh my gosh. One thing I need to applaud these people for is they put a hair net over the hair. Well done, Luvmehair. Well done. Well done. Because some hair companies, they just be sending the hair, no hair net, no nothing. They just send it and that's it. Anyway, so I'm just going to take this hair net off. I'm just going to take this hair net off like this. Guys, I have run my fingers through this. Obviously, this came in it as well. You know, that little paper to make sure it's all good. Yeah, I did run my fingers through it, so the cast have kind of, no, actually they still look the same, but I was saying that this does not look like, this is supposed to be waterwave, and this is 10 inches, by the way. Sorry guys. Yeah, I was saying this does not look like water wave. This looks way too curly to be water wave, or was it just me? So I had to kind of like run my fingers through it, but even still the curls are still there, which is nice. This is a frontal. This is a top Swiss lace frontal, 13x6. So as you can see, the frontal is very, very, very big. It's very, very big. It literally ends right here. If you turn the wig inside out, you will see that the wig has got some combs. There's one here, there's one here, and there is two on the sides. Wait, hold on, yeah, so there's another one here and another one there. I'm probably going to take them out because I don't really like combs. They're really uncomfortable on my head. And then it's got a little lace part down here as well. Gonna snip that off. Also, I wanted to mention something else, but I forgot. Oh yeah. It does come with baby hairs. Sorry, I'm trying to position it so you guys can actually see. It does come with baby hairs, and it looks like it is plucked already. Pre-plucked already in there. So yeah, and as you can see, guys, this lace is like a bit brown. Can you see? I don't know if it shows clearly in the video, but the lace is a bit brown. So it's an undetectable. It's supposed to really blend with your skin. Ooh, whoops. Let's see if I can. And I think my light is doing bits. Hold on. Yes. Oh my gosh. Like, this looks so freaking cool, dude. Oh my gosh. I literally just put it around my arm and it's blending already. Disclaimer, guys, I have not touched this. I have not bleached it. I have not plucked it. I have not done anything to it. I've literally just run my fingers through it to get the curls a bit more loose. That's all I've done because I didn't want it to be this curly. But yeah, I'm so excited to put this on, guys. So scared. Oh my gosh. But I think it's gonna look nice. Yeah, so I just unboxed it. Now I'm gonna wear it, guys. Wish me luck. I'm about to cut this. I've never done this before, so wish me luck. And I'm gonna be back in some seconds. Okay, I just want to show you guys what it looks like on. I'll be back. Yeah, guys, I just want to show you the lace again, how brown it is. I think that's how it's so detectable. So it's very good if you're like my sort of skin color. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know why there's holes here. But anyway, all of this is about to come off anyway. So the reason I'm filming again is because I forgot to mention that there's actually straps here as well. So the wig, I mean, they've made it sure it's really secure. They've got combs, they've got a band, and they've got the straps. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that now before I put it on. I'm about to put it on, so stay tuned. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like on. As you can see, sorry, I need to stop this American accent. But as you can see, I haven't even done anything or plucked anything, but you can literally see it's blending. Like, you can see that this is really gonna blend well. So I'm freaking excited, dude. I'm like so excited to put this on. One thing I will say is that the hair is very soft. Very, very soft. Shedding a bit. Well, I mean, it's not that much, but can you see? Just a little bit of hair. Hair always sheds. You'll never get any hair that doesn't shed. Real hair sheds, fake hair sheds, every hair sheds, you know? So all this, it doesn't shed. It's a lie. Yeah, all hair sheds. I'm liking it. As you can see, you can literally part it anywhere. I don't know if I'm even doing the partings properly, but you can part it anywhere, 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 anywhere. And I think you can part it all the way back. Let me see if I can try and get a good... Can you see? Yeah, so it's quite good. It's quite good. I mean, sorry, I'm looking that way because my mirror's there. It's different. Like, I'm not used to this kind of curly, kind of short hair. But I'm so scared, guys. I'm about to cut the lace. I'm so scared. I've never done this before. I'm so scared. I don't want to end up cutting something wrong. But I love this hair. And I took the back comb out because it was really irritating me. I took the back comb out. I'm using the straps at the moment. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use if I'm gonna cut out the other combs, but I cut the one here because it was just getting on my nerves. But yeah, I don't know, guys. I just feel like I wish it was a bit thicker. I don't know if it's just me, but I kind of wish it was a bit thicker. So guys, I'm about to cut this lace off. I'm not doing it on camera because I need full concentration to do this. Like, you guys don't understand. I cannot mess this up because I actually really like this hair. I need to I've got my mirror right here. I'm gonna sit here and just really try and do this well. Like, I can't afford to mess this up. So wish me luck. Pray for me, guys. I need you to pray for me so I don't mess this hair up. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like when I've cut the lace. Wish me luck. Oh my gosh.
Frontline day on road, so now me take 2 shots, 2 photo. Enough brothers no know she worth, maybe. Enough dollars she dance for work, maybe. And I know for certain you're there behind curtain. Can't say.
Okay, guys. I'm cutting the lace. I just wanted to show you my progress. I'm still so scared, but it's kind of a bit light. Even though on camera it looks like it's like blended into my skin, but it's a bit light, so I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm so confused right now. Oh my days, I can't lie. Anyway, let me continue cutting it and then I'll come back. So I have finally put the wig on. As you can see, the front looks amazing. It looked a bit light before, but when I put the gel and everything, it looks fine. I had a bit of an issue with my got2b, so I ended up having to use spray because it wasn't really going down. But then when I used the spray, I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, when I used the spray, it turned white. That's probably what that is, lol. But yeah, as you can see, guys, it looks so natural. I haven't plucked it, I haven't bleached it, I haven't done anything to it, literally, and it looks like this. So, what is going on here? My skin is so sensitive. Can you guys see that? What is going on, mate? Anyway, yeah, so, yeah, my skin, the hair is actually really nice. I really, really like it. This is so different for me, guys. Can you see this massive thing going down my forehead? I'm so confused. My skin is so sensitive. It's so stupid. Yeah, so this is how it looks, guys. I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I love it. It's soft. I keep running my fingers through it because I just want it to be a bit more fuller. I think this is 150 density, and obviously my face is quite a lot, so yeah, I just like it to look full. But yeah, as you can see, guys, again, it looks so natural. I haven't done anything to it. I literally just put it on with some got2b and some I'll show you what I used. I used this. This is what made my thing white, so probably not going to use this again. And I used this. It says styling gel, so I was a bit confused. I was like, why does it say styling gel? Because I think they've got new packaging, but it still works, so it's all good. Guys, I'm so confused as to what's going on with my forehead, not gonna lie. Anyway, yeah, I really like it. Honestly, I really, 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 really like it. It's just different, innit? Like, I'm not used to short curly hair. This is my short curly hair that I've ever got. I mean, that doesn't even, it doesn't make sense. You see, that leaflet, yeah, is affecting my speech. I'm joking. Guys, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Make sure you do that now. I just want to repeat once again, I didn't do anything to this wig. I haven't plucked it, I haven't bleached it, I haven't done anything. All I done was cut the lace off and put got2b glue, and it looks this natural. So let me not say I recommend it because I haven't had it for that long. I need to see how this hair is going to play out. and then I'll be able to be like, girl, you better get it, or girl, you are not wasting your money. Okay, so let's wait for like 3 months. I think we can give it 3 months. So should we do a month? Maybe I'll do 1 month review. But yeah, I really love how it was so easy to put on. That's one thing I'm digging right now. I love how it's so easy to put on. I just love it. I really honestly just love it. And it literally is called Undetectable Lace on the website, and this is undetectable. And I didn't do anything to it. So as for that one, I'll give it to them. I really will. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, share, comment, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys later. I love you. Peace. Peace, 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 peace.
2 photo, enough brothers no know she worth maybe. Enough dollars she dance for work maybe. And I know for certain, you're there behind curtain. Can't save shot like keeper. Want no fans and dues and gal. If you not do nothing, get done not done. Bam, you level up the thing tough, and you now watch no one. You now watch no one. You wanna be my baby, trust in you.